ko sisirain yung racket ko? Kickback yan. Wala nang ibang isang tunay na salita. Kickback yan. Okay daw yun.
Almost a year ago, during your fourth State of the Nation address, you called out corruption and said, mahiya naman kayo before the members of Congress. That set expectations from you and your administration that you will wage war against corruption and no one will be spared. 1 year hence, Mr. President, do you think your administration has done enough and fast enough?
Well, I cannot say that we have done enough because we're not done yet. Unfortunately, the more we look, the more we find. Kasi ang sinabi ko, mahiya naman kayo. Pag tinanong mo sa akin, nahiya ba sila? Yung iba, hindi. Akala nila, karapatan nila yung gagawin na ganun eh. Wala kaming ginagawang mali. Ganyan talaga patakbo rito. And that's the hardest part to change. That's the hardest part to change. The culture of within government, where to take they put all kinds of nice words, rebate, kickback yan. Wala nang ibang isang tunay na salita, kickback yan. Okay daw yun, para sa iba, okay sa kanila yun. At saka karapatan nila bilang whatever. Meron silang share doon sa ginagastos ng pera ng gobyerno. Yeah.
What do you plan to do moving forward, Mr. President, now that corruption has become the favorite talking point among your critics and those who are calling for your ouster?
My answer?
My ouster.
My ouster?
Yes. Binabalik po nila sa inyo ito.
From critics. Yeah. Kung hindi ko sinabi yung sinabi ko sa SONA, wala tayong pinag-uusapan na ganito. I'm the one who exposed all of this, and I'm the only one that has started to do anything about this. Bakit ang mga nakaramba na pangulo, may nakita ba kayong ginawang ganon? Meron ba silang kinulong? Meron ba silang finish na account? Meron ba silang mga na-investigation na ginawa? Wala. Sa akin lang. Tapos sasabihin, ako daw ang may kagagawan. Kung talagang racket ko yun, ba't ko sisirain yung racket ko? Di ba? That makes absolutely no sense. So
Because it's selective justice.
I'm sorry?
Selective justice.
What about selective justice?
Pinipili lang daw yung mga kinakasuhan, yung mga iniimbestigahan.
No, from the time that we formed the independent commission, sinabi ko, we'll just follow the evidence. And that's what we'll continue to do.